Hello you guys, I am Melissa Miller. I am going to be doing some gift ideas. I'm going to be using the Tic Tac Toe board. I think that this is a great gift idea. So I'm going to do 4 of the red, 4 of the blue, and then I'm going to make this I think I'm going to make this silver. And I've just got my hair dryer out here tonight. Yes, I feel like using a paper towel makes it dry quicker. Sometimes I feel like that too. So, okay, I'm gonna just set that to the side, and then we're gonna go ahead and we're going to do, let's see, 4, which I could do, you know, I mean, it actually might look really good to do white. I'm gonna put out some white here, and I'm gonna do these are pretty little, so I might actually use a brush on these. I'm not sure. I might try a paper towel first, but if I feel like it's a little too small, I think it might work. So I'm just gonna hold these up. I don't have any gloves on, so I'm gonna have paint all over my hands and all over my craft table. But I am gonna give these a good coat of white paint, because I don't really want it to leave, or I could use just a big brush, right? So on these, this would work just fine as well, and I wouldn't have as many little things for my paper towels maybe. And if you think about all of your other stencils that you have, you know, you could even put a name on a board if you were making them for kids, and they could have their own tic-tac-toe board. You could make it for a teacher. I can think of so many different things that you could make this for. A Sunday school classroom, a coffee shop, anywhere that is a waiting area. Maybe you have a local doctor's office like ours. Maybe they could use a little game anywhere that people are waiting. So let me get this dried. Okay, let me get myself organized. Let me get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm missing one. I think I'm missing my extra one. So anyway, I don't have it. Apparently I didn't cut it. So I will start with this because I know that this is good and dry. So we'll get our board tic-tac-toed. We'll do this first, and then we'll do the others. I'm gonna get a stencil brush. So this is a great stencil, not just for the holidays. You can make this for gifting all year long. Like if you've got a birthday or something coming up, a holiday that, or, you know, you need to make a gift for someone, or even a shower, or something like that. Even just special gifts. Grab this stencil set. This is going to be something that you can use all year long. Those are things that you can use anytime. Like if you're somebody that's like, I need to go to the store and get a gift for somebody. If you've got certain stencils on hand, likely there's a great chance that you can make something yourself for someone as a gift. And likely they are going to absolutely love that you thought enough to make something for them. So there we go. That's looking really good. I like the metallic on there. And you know, adding stars to the background, or any other kind of a pattern you could do in a muted tone on tone, right? So let's pull out those bright red and my bright blue, and let's add some X's and O's. Load up my brush. And what I'm gonna probably do is just do a little bit of stippling on here as opposed to swirling to get a nice base layer on that white. So we'll pull that up. Nice. It's got a little bit of texture to it. You really can't see. Okay, so let's go to the next one. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do the O's. Cuteness. You could also do, like, you could use anything to replace your X's and O's. Even not, you know, not just the transfers. If you had something else that you wanted to use, you could use letters. Like if you were doing it for, you know, a married couple, you could use the husband, and you could use the wife. You could use their first letter of their name. And even on like the back side of these, like my mom said, I could make a reversible set that was seasonal. So I think it would be fun to turn this all over and make a Christmas set so that you pull it out for Christmas, and then on the other side you have something that is neutral for the whole year. I think that that's a good idea. And I think that would be a fun way to gift it. Would be to have it be, I flip this over, and maybe I'll do that. Maybe I will make it Christmas and red, white, and blue, and then I can finish these. I'm gonna have to think about what I want to do to my X's and O's, and I've got to make one more. How cute is this though? Thank you. Thank you guys so much. And I'll see you next time. Bye, friends.